to get some tomatoes and peaches to make some sauce. We got popcorn. We got apples. And we got some other groceries in this bag. Then we're going to show you how to make some yummy tomato sauce. But first, I'm going to show you my little baby brother that in Braxton eat cold freezing ice cream from here. Hi, this KS. So remember when we were at Jamer's Farms and we bought some tomatoes? Well, now we're back and we're going to make some tomato sauce out of it. The tomatoes are in the sink and here's my baby brother taking stuff out. And here's the pot. And we just got those jars. And they're different kinds. This one, you can't measure, but in this one is like measuring. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make the tomato sauce. So, we're gonna make three different kinds of sauces. The first one we're gonna make has roasted tomatoes, garlic, and onions. And we're gonna put it in the NutriBullet and we're gonna see how it stays. So we're gonna cook it for a little bit of time to put them into the jars. Hey guys, we're back, and now I got my pajama, I'm ready to go to bed. And now that we boiled this for like an hour, we're gonna put them in these jars, and we're going to close it really tight. So, watch and learn. Now that you see, my mom's putting in the sauce inside the jar. She's putting in the other ones. So now there are all of the sauce jars. We didn't have enough, so we left one out. Now we're putting in
baby aspirin. So it helps it to last longer.
So it helps it to last longer. And now we're closing them. That one kind of overflowed right there. We're back, and we closed all of these. This is one of the jars, but it's just that there's something different inside it. It has peach jam.
Oh.
Here we have spaghetti sauce, which is cold because it was in the freezer, well, the fridge. And here we have our tomato sauce. Stay low for some more KS